Hello students, welcome to Python programming class lecture 37. Today we are entering into unit 4 part 4 classes and objects. Let's check the syllabus. User defined types, attributes, rectangles, instances as return values, objects are mutable, copying. These are the topics in the classes and objects. We will discuss 3 topics in today's lecture, another 3 topics in next lecture. Let's get into the today's lecture. First one, user defined types. So up to now we have seen built-in types in the Python. So user defined types means we are creating some types here. So what are they? By using point. So here I am calling point type. What is the meaning of point is I am representing a point in two-dimensional space. So that means here 3 methods are there. One is we are creating coordinates by using variables x and y, and we are storing the coordinates in a list or tuple, or we are creating new type by using objects. So 3 methods: by using variables, by using lists or tuples, and by using the objects. So coming to the point, user defined type means it is a class. Right? What is object? Instance of a class. First we need to create a class. So see here class point. So create class. What is the class name? Point. So of object. In the parenthesis we are giving objects. So what it represents? A point in 2D space. This is a doc string. Right? So this is only for presenting. Right? It is not any code. It is just display like it represents a point in a 2D space. So print point. So after creating the class print point, what it will display? Class main point. So why it is main point? It is at the top level. That's why it is the main point. Right? So we are defining a class with a point. It creates an object. It creates a class object. Next, coming to the assigning. So here the point class, this is a class assigned to blank. Assigned to blank. So print blank, so it will display like this. Right? So we are creating one object. This is one object. Instance of a class. This is called instantiation. Right? So object is nothing but instance of a class. That is user defined types. Now coming to the attributes, same example, consider point is blank. Here this is the variable object, right? Blank. Blank dot x equal to 3.0. This is one coordinate, right? You can assign the values. So blank dot y equal to 4.0. This is another value. So print percentile g comma percentile g percentile blank dot x blank dot y. What it will print? 3.0 comma 4.0. This is point. Now calculate distance. So math dot square root of blank dot x star star 2 plus blank dot y star star 2. So that means you are calculating square root of x square plus y square. So print the distance, it will print 5.0. So that's the attributes for assigning. Next, coming to the rectangle. So by using this class, we are creating the rectangles also. Create rectangle class with the object. It represents a rectangle with the width, height and corner. So create a rectangle with the class. After creating the rectangle class, it is assigned to box. This is one object. So the width of the object is 100, the height of the object is 200. Like that we are creating the rectangles. So that's the today's lecture. We will meet in the next lecture. Thank you.